Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make a tire list in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, and search it to Google. Then log into your Canva account. After login, search here tire list and press enter from your keyboard. Then you will find many templates of your tire list, what you can choose for your preference. So let's choose one. Let's choose this one. If you want to customize this, just click on customize this template. Then if you want to zoom this, just click on this and click control from your keyboard and up scroll from your mouse, and it will zoom like this. So let's add some tire list. Delicious, all time go to breakfast. So what you prefer in breakfast, you can tire these things from here. So delicious, what you love, what you think is delicious. Here's the hot dog. Maybe you can choose this like this, drag this from here. You can choose banana. What do you think yummy to you? You can choose this one, or you can choose this one too. What do you think good for you? You can choose this one. What do you think no thanks, what you don't like actually? You can choose this one like this. Just drag it down and set here. Never eat, what you have never eaten in your breakfast. Or if you want to add more, you can write here anything, food, sorry, not here. Just go to elements and write here food and press enter. You will find many food icons, you can see. Or you can write here breakfast food and press enter. You will find many things. If you like one, just click on this and it will be like this big. You have to make it small like this, and you can use it. Delicious, if you think it's delicious to you, you can put it here. Or if you think it's yummy to you, put it here. If you think it's good to you, put it here. Okay. Or if you never eat like this, then put it here. So after customize or editing your tire list, you can save it by clicking on share button. Then you have to scroll down and you will find download button. If you click on download, this file will be downloaded to your system. So if you want to share this, so click on share and you can write the email address, and if you click on send, this work will send to this email address. So guys, this is how you can make a tire list in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.